Imagine two people who both are earning $5,000 every month. After 20 years, one has over $1 million. The other is living paycheck to paycheck. Same salary, same country, same opportunity. What can you say made the difference here? It wasn't luck, it was intelligence. It was simply what they did within the first few hours after getting paid. Today, I will show you the mathematics of getting paid and why your paycheck can either build your future or destroy it. Paycheck mathematics. Is income minus decision equals to financial future? Most people follow the wrong formula. Income and bills and spending and savings, if anything remains. This is how most people operate. Let's use numbers. Say monthly income is equal to $5,000, where rent is $1,700, car is $600, food is $700, entertainment is $800, shopping is $600, subscription is $200, and the miscellaneous is $500. Meaning savings is just $200. Now, can $200 make you wealthy? Let's calculate this out. $200 times 12 is equal to $2,400. After 10 years, that's $24,000. Meaning without investment, no life change at all. The wealthy reverse the equation. Income, save first, invest, spend the rest. This is called paying yourself first. Example, monthly income is equal to $5,000. Immediately save 20%. 20% of $5,000 is equal to $1,000. Now remaining income of $4,000. Instead of forcing yourself to save what's left, you force your spending to fit what remains. The power of automatic investments. Monthly investments. Let's say you take $1,000. Annual return at 10%. Years, 30 years. If you invest $1,000 every month in a diversified investment, earning an average annual return of 10%, the long-term result can be very dramatic. And the approximate future value after 30 years is approximately $2.6 million. Where you only invested $360,000 in a total of 30 years, and you gain approximately $2.260 million, which implies that the profits from growth is equal to $1.9 million, meaning your money earned far more than you personally contributed. Note that you have to build an emergency fund. Emergency fund, assuming, is say equal to 6 months expenses. For example, monthly expenses equal to $4,000. Take emergency funds to be equal to $24,000 then in 6 months. If you lose your job, what it means is that your investments stays untouched. Your emergency fund protects your future. You may have to destroy high interest debts if you must be wealthy. Credit card, if you have credit card balance of $10,000, and the interest is at 24%. After 1 year, know that the interest alone will become $2,400. Now, would you invest somewhere that guarantees 24% return instead? Paying off 24% debt is mathematically similar to earning a risk-free 24% return. Now look at this. Follow the 50-30-20 rules, where income is equal to $5,000, assuming, and need is 50%, which implies $2,500. Wants is 30%, which implies $1,500. Then savings and investment is equal to 20%, which is $1,000, giving you a sum total of $5,000. Avoid lifestyle inflations. As a subtopic for this, let's say if raise is equal to $500, runway spending is plus $500. Correct way invest is plus $500. Take for instance, old income is $5,000 and new income is $5,500. You have to invest the extra $500 monthly. If you do after 30 years at 10% interest, this will imply that you will have an approximate $1,100. One raise invested consistently can create millionaire level wealth. If income is equal to $5,000, savings is equal to $1,000, and rent is equal to $1,700, food becoming equal to $700, transportation equal to $400, insurance equal to $300, entertainment equal to $300. You take miscellaneous to be equal to $600, giving you a total of that $500,000 in expenses. Give every dollar a job. When every dollar has a purpose, fewer dollars disappears without explanation. The cost of impulse buying. Understand this. If you buy coffee at $7 per day, that will mean you have a monthly spending for coffee to be equal to $210, yearly to be equal to $2,555. Invest these $2,555 yearly at 10% interest for 30 years, and you will realize $420,000 in approximate. Now, it's your daily habit worth hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. Let's look at the payday wealth checklist. This checklist says save first, invest automatically, then pay bills, eliminate debt, build emergency funds, budget and avoid impulse spending, and track every dollar. Your payday should follow this same sequence every single month. Here now the final lesson. Your paycheck is a seed. Spend it and temporarily have happiness, or invest it and have lifetime wealth. I'll give you a final motivational example here. Say if person A has an income that's equal to $5,000 and investing $0 in 30 years from that income, his net worth will be very little. If person B with same income of $5,000 invest $1,000 at 10% interest annual return for 30 years, he or she will have a net worth of approximately $2.26 million. Note that it is the same paycheck that both person A and person B uses, but different decisions and different future obtained. Getting paid doesn't make you wealthy. What you do immediately after getting paid determines whether your paycheck disappears or grows into financial freedom. Remember, income creates opportunity, but disciplined decisions create wealth. If you follow these steps, every paycheck, every payday rather, you give your money the chance, the opportunity to work as hard as you do. If you found this lesson valuable, like this video, subscribe and share it with someone who gets paid every month. On this channel, we use simple mathematics to explain how ordinary financial decisions can lead to extraordinary wealth. Thank you for watching.